Lulu Mall.
Yeah.
And Lulu Mall is Asia's biggest mall, no?
Yeah, I think it's the biggest because there is another one which has been recently opened in Lucknow, UP. Yeah, I think it's in Lucknow. I may have to cross-check my facts.
Okay.
But otherwise, this is Asia's biggest mall, Lulu Mall. It has
So
various branches.
let's go and let's explore the Lulu Mall. Okay. So plan change, I guess.
Yeah.
We are not going to Lulu Mall now. Wait, he's turning on the.
नहीं 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 लुलु मॉल ही जा रहे हैं लेकिन इधर से
फोर्ट कोची
We are going to Lulu Mall, but I think we'll take a
गाड़ी
round
में
tour of
बैठ
Fort Kochi.
Yeah.
We may not be getting out of the vehicle.
Yeah.
बस
We may
ऐसे
just take a just quick tour because there is nothing, much to explore there. For simple vibe and to get a hang of it, you can just go out, venture. It's just like taking a drive in Marine Drive in Mumbai. It's just like that. So we won't be wasting more of our time. We'll be capturing and covering whatever is possible from the vehicle itself. Then directly we'll go to
Lulu Mall.
yeah.
And yeah, we weren't sure no, if it is Asia's biggest mall. So it has been confirmed. Lulu Mall is currently Asia's biggest mall.
Lulu Mall in Kochi.
Yeah, Lulu Mall that is located in Kochi because there are many branches of Lulu Mall across India as well as outside. The one that is located in Kochi is one of the biggest malls in Asia.
Yeah. This one in the center, what you can see is a water metro, Kochi water metro. It is the only concept I think which is currently present in Kerala in Cochin district. Nowhere will you find the concept of water metro. We have normal metros, but water metro is a unique concept only in Cochin. So if you can see that it's AC, it runs on AC with all washrooms and all. So yeah, that's the concept. And the other boats you can see is the normal ferries or it's for some other purpose, commercial purposes.
It's lunchtime and I am having seafood combo for lunch. We have just finished with our lunch and I just want to say that the food was outstanding. Everything was mind-blowing, whether it is the different, whether it is the fish or the crab or the prawns, everything was mind-blowing. I want to suggest one thing to you guys that if you come to Kerala, then please try to explore the traditional and the authentic Kerala dishes. Don't go for outlets where it is served Manchurian and noodles and all. You will get it everywhere. But please try the authentic Kerala dishes. They are really good. And I think I personally feel that the non-veg food, the non-veg dishes that we have over here, whether it is related to seafood or the fishes or the chicken and all, are better than the veg meals. So yeah, please, whenever you come to Kerala, please do explore the fishes and the seafoods over here. Please do.
कितना रिकॉर्ड करेगी रे? हाँ?
How was the food? How was the food?
Not me. Food was good.
What did you have?
For the first time, I ordered fish curry because I'm usually not, person of.
You're not a fish person.
Yeah.
You're not a fish
No,
man.
that was not the right word which I wanted to, use.
You're not into fishes.
I'm not a fanatic of fish.
Okay.
Fish curry when I go out. But yes, today I thought of trying it. And it felt different and it was actually good choice. I actually loved the fish curry. It was very good.
And how was the
Bit of
squid?
tangy taste and I was also very hungry. That is
How was the? You ordered squid
yes,
also,
squid
yeah.
roast. Squid roast was very good, very good. This is the only opportunity which we can utilize because after going back to our monotonous life back in Delhi, we won't be able to get. We may get squid online,
Yeah.
but it is going to be double the cost.
No, you won't get that authentic taste.
Yeah, that authentic taste will not be there.
Yeah. And I mentioned some time back that whenever people come here, they should stick to the traditional food
Yes.
rather than Manchurian and noodles and all.
Yeah. So that is important.
Yeah.
So I thought of giving it a try. Today I ordered fish curry. It was very good. What about you?
I loved it. Food was outstanding. Yeah.
Fish thali, right? You had little bit of everything.
Seafood combo.
That's good.
Yes.
Really good.
There is so much of greenery in Kerala, man. I'm having a very good time over here actually. People are also very nice. I mean, there are good and bad people everywhere. But there's a lot of greenery over here. This is something different and unique that I've seen in Kerala. There are lottery tickets that are sold, and there's a particular result, a date of result.
4 and 12.
And let me tell you guys. So what I have understood is that on the result date, there is some website where you need to go. Some website that is there where you get to know. What is it?
Kerala Lottery.
Kerala Lottery website is the name, where you get to know about who won the lottery. And whoever wins the lottery gets a certain amount of cash prize after the deduction of the tax and everything. So I just heard that there was someone who won 50 crores also after winning the lottery. So this is something different I found over here. There are many places I found over here where they sell these lottery tickets.
उधर से दिख रहा था
What is the name of the bridge?
I think is the name of the place or name of the bridge? They written the bridge.
समुद्री अपने गाएंगे
ഈ ബ്രിഡ്ജിന്റെ പേര്
Tokumbadi Bridge.
തോപ്പുംപടി ബ്രിഡ്ജ്.
Tokumbadi Bridge is the name. We have finally
It's okay.
reached the Lulu Mall.
Yeah.
And are you excited?
Not really because I'm very tired.
Even I am too tired.
But yeah, I'm willing to explore the Asia's biggest mall.
Yeah.
Although I'm very tired. Now I think we'll be spending another 2 to 3 hours in this mall and then we'll be going back.
Yeah. And let's see if I can, if I just like something and I just end up doing a lot of shopping, I don't know.
You may end up doing shopping.
I can't assure anything when it comes to shopping because I am very unpredictable when it comes to that. I may just like something and I may just buy it. So, yeah, let's see. Let's get going now. We are now here for some filter coffee, chocolate mousse cake, right?
Chocolate mousse cake and
And
blueberry cheesecake.
Blueberry cheesecake,
Frozen blueberry cheesecake.
yes. And Vaishak is here. Nice. That's like my South Indian boy. That's like my Malayali boy. If I do it, I'm definitely going to, it's definitely going to fall everywhere.
Yeah.
Anyways, now let's have our coffee. Yep. We have been roaming around the Lulu Mall since the last 3 hours or so. And we have done a few shopping. Vaishak has bought a sweatshirt. I got a handbag and I also bought a top. And right now we're just sitting over here because we are too tired right now. Are you tired? We are very exhausted right now. We woke up early. We woke up very early in the morning today. So we are really tired. And Vishak's mom and his aunt have gone for some further shopping. I think for some grocery shopping also, right? Yeah. And we're just sitting on the bench and waiting for them to arrive, for them to finish with their shopping and come back. We're too tired right now.
Very much tired. I'm not in a condition to speak.
We're actually not in a condition to speak, but I just thought that let's give an update to you guys. We have now come out of the Lulu Mall and so we have now come out of the Lulu Mall and now we will be going to Vaishak's aunt's home. And I think I'll be ending this vlog for today because it is someone's home after all, so I want to respect their privacy and I'm myself not comfortable vlogging inside their home, and I also want to have some personal time with Rishabh's family. So I'll just end this vlog for today. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is
Diary of Jaya.
Diary of Jaya. Till then, good night. Bye. See you guys in my next vlog.
Bye.
This is what I have done. Like, this is my shopping. Show your bag. That's the shots. Okay, see you in our next vlog.